Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today magluluto tayo ng egg bread. Ito ay masarap at masustansya at pwedeng pang almusal or pang merienda ng ating mga anak. So, tayo nang mag-start kung paano magluto ng egg bread. First, melted butter. Second, milk powder, vanilla, salt, sugar, then 2 cups of water, and then I use wet flour. This is 2 cups of wet flour. I did not use all-purpose flour because I don't have. And then put 1 egg. And then atin lang po siyang imimix para mag-incorporate lahat ng ingredients. And then after that, put 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And then mix it well again. And then dapat prepare na rin ang inyong baking pan at ito'y inyong pinahiran ng oil or melted butter. Then now it's ready to put the mixture in the baking pan. Pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng llanera kung gusto nyo ng maliit lang na size ng inyong egg bread. I use also cheese, but I'm not use mozzarella. I use the sliced cheese, and then after putting the cheese on the top of the mixture, lalagyan din natin siya ng egg. So on this pan, I will put maybe 3 eggs. So now I will put 3 pieces of egg on the top. 1, then another one on the middle, then another one of egg. So I use 3 eggs. Meron din akong lalagyan 2 llanera, lalagyan ko sila ng tig-1 egg. Dapat ready na rin yung oven nyo at 250 degree, and i-oven natin siya ng for 20 minutes until it become golden brown on the top. After 20 minutes, ito na yung kinalabasan ng ating egg bread. It looks like yummy and delicious. First time kong nakagamit ng wet flour sa aking pagbe-bake. Dahil usually ang ginagamit ko ay all-purpose flour. But now, there's no available all-purpose flour on my house. So, nagtry akong gamitin tong wet flour. And I think maganda naman yung kinalabasan ng texture ng ating egg bread.